So in this video we're going to look at a free app called Adobe Scan. You do have to create an Adobe account, although you can use things like your Google or Apple or Facebook account if you have one of them as well to sign in. If I go ahead and open the app, so basically what this app does is it will take multiple pictures and put them into a single PDF. And the big advantages here are that we've found that some pictures don't allow teachers to annotate them. So with this we know that PDFs can definitely be annotated, so your teachers can give you better quality feedback if we do that. It's also quite neat and does it all quite nicely for you. Down the bottom right you see these blue icons. You've got a camera and you've got the photos, so you can already bundle together photos you've already taken. If I go into the camera mode, it will automatically start looking for documents, so you get your stuff, your work ready, and then click the camera mode. And you can see now a couple of 4 blue dots appear, and it's trying to find something that looks like a document, and then it takes a picture for you. Turn over and do the same again. Page 2, it'll do the focusing, it'll select the right bit for you, and it's taking a picture of page 2. And now if I click on these documents down the bottom right, it's now saved them into 2 documents. It didn't really actually focus that well on page 2, but I think with more stuff on your documents it probably would manage better. You can go back and add more pages. You can change the order if you didn't quite get them in the right order. You can crop them if you've only used half a page. There's quite a lot of options down the bottom there as well. Once you're happy with your various pages, then up the top right you've got Save PDF, and that will create a PDF in the Adobe Cloud for you. And you can see it's working away on that, but one of the options there at the top right is Share. So if I click on that, it brings up a menu down the bottom, and what I want to do is share a copy, which will bring up the usual thing about opening in another app. Schoology isn't one of the standard ones, I'm afraid, so you've always got to go into More, scroll down, find Copy to Schoology, and then you'll find your option there to submit to an assignment. Find the course that you want, find the assignment you want, and then click on that, and that's you.